What's up everyone? In this video I will show you how Pete, a member of my VIP community, managed to make $3,000 in one single day. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now let me show you exactly how Pete managed to do it. So basically at 11:30 in the morning, as you guys can see, on November the 9th, this was the first pending order that was sent. I will attach a picture right now to see exactly when the pending order was sent. A sell limit on USD CHF on the M15. This is the second pending order that was sent in the VIP in the same day. As you guys can see, 9th November 12:30. I will attach a screenshot right now so you see that that's exactly when the pending order was sent on the AUD USD pair. Okay, and this was the third and last pending order that was sent in that day that played out on US 30, as you guys can see, at 11:30, the same 9th November. I will attach the screenshot again so you guys can see that this is exactly when the pending order was sent. So now, since all the pending orders were sent in the VIP, all that Pete did is copy and pasted them on his MT4, and now let's just see how they played out. Okay, I'm gonna use the bar replay. Check this out. Tapped in, and this was a very cool sniper entry on USD CHF. Now let's move on to the next pair and see how the other setups played out as well. We are now on AUD USD, the second setup that was sent, also a sell limit. This is when the setup was sent, and now let's play the market and see how it played out. Tapped in, and again another beautiful sniper entry that smashed all three take profits. And finally, this was the last setup of the day, a buy limit on US 30. So let's see how this one played out. That's when the setup was sent. Okay, tapped in, and targets were also smashed. This trade smashed TP1 and TP2, very close to TP3, and then it came back, but already profits were secured. That being said, this is exactly how Pete managed to make $3,000 in one single day on his live personal account. All he basically did is copy and pasted the signals that were sent in the VIP in that day, and after that he input the targets, the stop loss, the take profit, and the trades played out beautifully. And the reason I decided to make this video is to show you guys that even though, let's say you have a full-time job and you don't have the necessary time to sit in front of the charts and trade on your own, you can still make profits trading Forex or trading indices by following other people's setups. And me personally, that's why I run this signal group, and I think it's the only signal group out there that sends only pending orders, buys and sell limits only. And the reason why I send only pending orders is very simple. A, because like this, everything is 100% transparent. I cannot fake anything because I literally predict what the markets will do in probably 20 minutes from now, even hours, possibly even days, because pending orders usually take between hours and sometimes even more than 1 day to trigger and then play out. And B, because like this, every single one of you guys have the time to input these orders in time and not miss out on any profits. Before I end this video guys, if you think that this sounds interesting and it could help you with your trading journey, make sure to join the free signal group on Telegram. Link is down below. It's literally 100% free, and all you have to do is click the link to join it, and you will see if you like it or not. And lastly, if there's any questions regarding anything, please drop them down below. Also, feel free to share and like the video if you enjoyed it. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.